Hi everyone, my name is Jose Larcon, and here is my assignment 4.1, creating DLLs with Visual Studio Code. Here I made a simulation for the user. So what's going to happen is whenever they click here, they're able to pick their certain amount of coffee. And what'll happen is, and during this transaction here, is it'll call from the DLL that I created up here. It'll go into the progress bar, coffee ready, and then they're able to pick it up. Okay. The D this all hold on one second. All these four will be from the DLL reference. Okay. So let's go to my main code here. So here I had to call my reference right here, and in doing so, let me click my Solution Explorer. I had to do a right click, make a new project, and grab the the class library, and then create my coffee DLL. Once I did that, I had to do another right click here, and then add reference, which was this right here. So um, to create my DLL, okay. So I'm gonna skip the button one because it's pretty easy from there. So here, whenever the user will click an espresso, let's say from the menu, it will be called and move into the progress bar. Then I'll be able to create an object from the class or DLL. It'll grab the information from there, from the DLL, and put it into the brewing coffee inside the progress. Okay. Now this same thing scenario will go same for the. Let me see where I'm at. The latte. It'll go for the cappuccino. Oops, the cappuccino and the iced coffee as well. Okay, and I ended up just changing different times, but I'll explain that as I go. Where I'm at. So here's my DLL. Once I was able to create it, I'm gonna have four references because those are gonna be for the four coffees. And here I made a method, the brew coffee, because here in the form one, in the main form, you can see I'm calling it from the DLL, so I had to make that. And here I made a loop because you know when you're making coffee, it's not gonna be quick, so I just did like a little calculation around here. Um, so here I will show the progress of the bar of the coffee being brewed. It will have a delay, so whenever you click it, well, it's 100 milliseconds. And this one right here will calculate the progress of the coffee being brewed. It will give the total turn time, and then it will divide by the total time and multiply by 100. So let's go here. So I'm gonna do a simulation first real quick on how it's gonna run. And then what I'll do is I'll do like a point break on the code, like right here or something, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we'll see how this is gonna run first, and then we'll do the another start, just so you can see. So, welcome to a coffee shop. Okay, here's your simulation. Espresso. Coffee's ready. Here's your coffee. So every time I click one of these four, it's grabbing from the reference of the my coffee DLL. Okay, here's a latte. It's a cappuccino. I just changed the time. The some of the times are a little slower because I just was just messing with it. Iced coffee. Okay, so let's exit there. Let's go. Let's do point break right. Sorry, excuse me. Number 46. Let's go ahead and push start again. Click to start. Okay. Here. Now, once we click espresso, it's gonna grab it from right there. Let's go step into, and then step over. Oops, step over, and it'll just grab the coffee. It's supposed to be showing here. No, let's stop this again. Let's do another. Okay. Let's do up here. Let's try it one more time. I don't know why I wasn't doing that. step into, step over, oops, step over. Okay, so what was supposed to happen? It was supposed to just go to the DLL. But you have an idea what it is because I am grabbing it from here. I'm grabbing it, oh sorry, I'm calling it from the brew coffee, which is in here, and putting it in instead of just having the rest of this that code back in here.